I wanted to address 5 common issues faced by people taking the PMP exam. Number 1, the exam content. The exam covers a broad range of project management knowledge areas. Questions may be very complex, scenario-based, and this requires a deep understanding of the material. Number 2, the time pressure. The exam is timed, and there are many people who struggle to complete all the questions within that allotted time. Number 3, exam anxiety. The high stakes of the exam can lead to a lot of anxiety and stress, which can negatively affect exam takers. Number 4, preparation. Inadequately preparing or ineffectively preparing can leave test takers feeling unprepared and worried about their exam, affecting their time. Number 5, application of knowledge. It is not just memorizing facts, but the ability to use project management principles in real world scenarios. Don't worry, because in part 2, I will tell you how you can overcome these issues. How can the PMP exam prep program help? Number 1, the exam prep content coverage. We utilize PMI's licensed training content, which provides a structured curriculum that covers all knowledge areas, ensuring students have a deep understanding of the material. Number 2, time management strategies. We teach effective techniques to help students pace themselves during the exam and complete all of the questions within the limited time. Number 3, exam strategies and test taking tips. We equip students with strategies, approaches, and different question types, helping them manage anxiety and stay focused during the exam. Number 4, practice exams and simulations. We offer practice exams and simulations that mimic the real PMP exam, allowing students the ability to assess their readiness and identify areas for improvement. And number 5, application-focused learning. We emphasize the application of project management principles through case studies, scenarios, and hands-on exercises, preparing students to tackle complex real problems. Our training will provide you with a comprehensive knowledge of strategic tools and hands-on experience necessary to complete and confidently tackle the PMP exam. Our structured curriculum, time management strategies, and focus on real-world application empowered me to achieve my PMP certification. Imagine yourself confidently walking into the PMP exam, fully prepared to tackle any question that comes your way. Envision the satisfaction of earning your PMP certification and the doors that will open within your career. This can be a reality with our EverTech program. Take the next step towards achieving your PMP goals and enroll in our comprehensive program today. We're here to empower you every step of the way.